Today we have a railroad cuckoo clock. This one is all original. I would estimate the age of 1900 to 1910. And this is a solid walnut case. The sides, the bottom, and the front is solid walnut. The thing is, the only ones that made hardwood cases were the American Cuckoo Clock Company, and that's, to me, there was no stickers on this clock, so I am saying that this clock was probably made by the American Cuckoo Clock Company. Just an idea. So we have a brass movement, says made in Germany. There's no signature of who made it, and I'm going to go and show you the time. And these are bone hands. These are original. This is what came with this clock when I bought it. But we're going to go to the half hour, and then we'll go to the full hour. This keeps real good time, and the length of the clock is 20 inches. It is 13 inches wide. It is 6.5 inches deep.
Bellows.
We've got the finales, the topper, and the bellows that's in this. I have put back the original leather. They're both done, and when you see the pictures, you'll notice the leather on the bellows. I took pictures of them. This is what gives you that good, deep, rich sound when it cuckoos. I'll go through it one more time for you. Half hour, we'll go to the hour. And that's it.